Hi, and welcome to Smart Mobile Notary and Signing's website. Here, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to schedule your very own appointment using our online website to book your appointment for notary. So we begin by going to www.smartmobilenotaryandsigning.com. Here you will find the home page. If you have time, you can scroll through. Here you have a variety of appointments that we offer, but you can access all the appointments by clicking right here, Schedule Now. After clicking Schedule Now, you will choose your appointment, read through, and find the appointment that best suits your needs, whether it's an in-office notary service, remote online notary service, I-9 employment verification, will and estate planning. Here, I'm just going to click on the first one, so we're going to book it. After you click on the first prompt, you will see Add to your appointment. This is going to vary person to person, depending on what type of notarial documents or what type of documents you need to have notarized. You can select your add-on service. If your document requires a witness, please select to add on a witness. If your document requires multiple signers, please click on to add additional signer. If by any chance you do not have your documents and they are on a PDF and you need your documents printed out, we do offer that service. So you would click on the printing fee that's associated with what you need. So if you need 1 to 10 pages printed out, you would click on this first one. And if you need 100 or 50 pages printed out, you would click on this one. There's also a link for the pages in between those two numbers. So you would look through and find out which one suits your needs. So we're going to put 1 to 10 pages. After that, you select your date and time. So we're just going to put 8:40 a.m. Here you'll have a variety of available times. We try to make it as open as possible because we do have multiple notaries available. So you have you have a lot of options to select from. So 8:40, click continue. Depending on if you've used scheduling platforms before, sometimes they will auto-populate to your information. If that is the case, then you will see your information here. You will see your name, phone number, and email address. If you do not see the information there, then you can simply type in your own name and fill out the form accordingly. If you look at the top really quickly, you'll notice that the appointment type you've selected in office notary service comes up here, as well as how long it's approximately going to take, the date and time of your appointment. Here are the add-on services that we selected at the previous window. If we go back here, edit your appointment, scroll up, these are the add-ons. I also wanted to say that at the time of the recording, these are the prices that we have. However, if you're viewing this recording or tutorial a little bit later, then the prices may vary. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click back on to the 8:40. There we go. Okay, so all of our information is here. Now begins the questionnaire. Please complete the questionnaire. What is the address of the location where the notarization will take place? You can put your home address, office address, local Starbucks address. Okay, and this includes city, state, and zip. What are the type of documents you need to have notarized? Please be as clear as possible. So let's say power of attorney. Is this an in-office appointment? Doctor's office, small business office, army base? We're gonna say yes. How many signers are there? Is it just me, 2 signers, 3 signers? We're gonna select just me. If there were more than 1 signer, then you would add on additional signer. We've actually added that on, so I'm gonna go ahead and update it. So it's 2 signers. If there are any names of signers that's different from yours, you can put them here. So let's put a different name, Susan Smith. She's the second signer. Put her email here. Just gonna make up an email here and then her phone number. Okay, there's her make-believe number. You would put her actual number there and how many documents need to be notarized. So here we have 1 to 3. If there's anything more than that, then you would have to update and put that in your add-ons, okay? The next one is if you have any additional information that you want to provide, anything that's important to your documentation. This could be that, it needs to be printed on legal size paper, which we did have a print fee here. Or you can say first 2 pages, print on letter. You would just make a note there. Is there a flexible window of time? You can say yes, 30 minutes, or if it's no, just say no. Do you need any witnesses? If you need witnesses, you can let us know here. Let's see, I believe we put that we were checking out, we were adding a witness. So add on witness, so you would select that here. Yes, I will select to add them on at checkout. If you didn't need a witness, then you would say, I don't need a witness, or I will provide my own. Okay. And then the last question is, do you need your documents to be printed? You would say yes. If this is your case, you need your documents printed, then you would attach that file here before you check out, and you would attach it as a PDF file. Please note that we only print PDF files, so if you have to convert your file prior to sending it, please go ahead and do so, and then you can select choose file and find your file and upload it into the server so that we can print it out for you. After you've completed that, click Pay Now. All right. And looks like I missed something. So this is a good thing. If you miss something, they will let you know. The platform will let you know. Have you already signed your document? This is required, and this is actually a pretty big one. Before a notary can sign anything, we have to witness the signature. So this has to be acknowledged prior to moving forward, as we can see. And so you would click on No, I acknowledge. I have to wait to sign in front of the notary. Once that's done, then you can click Pay Now. It will prompt you to enter in your payment. The payment would calculate according to the service you selected and also any add-on services that you selected. Please be sure to add on any additional services before checking out, because if there is something that was not included, then we would have to go ahead and complete that prior to completing the signing. Once everything is included, you can go ahead and enter in your name, credit card information. We are using a secure platform, expiration date, postal code. Here's a tip option if you would like to leave a tip. After you finish, you confirm and pay. So that is the quick tutorial on how to schedule your very own appointment on our platform. I hope that this was very helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help you through the process.